Customer Relationship Management Software, or CRM. CRM software is a platform that helps organizations manage customer relationships and interactions. It is used to store customer data, track customer activity, and automate customer service tasks. With CRM software, businesses are able to better understand their customers, develop meaningful relationships, and increase customer satisfaction. CRM software is used by businesses of all sizes, from small mom-and-pop shops to large corporations. It can be used to track customer interactions, analyze customer data, and streamline customer service processes. CRM software can help businesses improve customer relationships, increase customer loyalty, and increase sales. CRM software can be a valuable asset in building and maintaining strong customer relationships. To learn more about CRM software, check out our website for more information: www.initro.co.in.